Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove and add background to your video with CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add the video to the track and I'm going to remove the background. How to? You are just going to click on the clip and then select the cutout. So you can select the chroma key or auto cutout. But in the video, I'm going to select the auto cutout to remove the background. So after done, you are just going to move up the video and select the background you like to add to the video and just put in button from the video. Okay, you can see for final result, and you can select the overlay and you can resize. So this is the final result. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.